In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here where it says Friends, and then tap right here at that search icon to go to search. First of all, we need to enter a name of a person we are searching for. I recommend you to enter first name and last name. After that, it will show you a bunch of different results. You can just scroll down in that way until you find a user you are looking for. However, we can specify that search request. We can tap right here at filters, and that's where we can enter a city, education, school, company, or friends. In this way we can search better, and that's basically how we can easily find any user on Facebook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.